Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the default audio input device for your Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this you'll need to open the settings, so click on the start and right here you should find the settings. Then locate the system, enter the sound settings, scroll down to the input, and right now you can see all of the input devices, so you can pair new input device, that's a microphone devices usually, and if you want to change the default one, simply click on the one that you want to select and then set this device as a default somewhere right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.